Good afternoon, sister. How are you, sister? I hope you're fine. I am Ashwini patnayak from 6th B. So today I am going to do rain gauge. To make a rain gauge, we need a sharp knife, scale, mud, water and bottle. So, first step, cut the top of the bottle like this. Cut the top of the bottle like this, and this ensures that the top of the bottle and the bottom of the bottle has the same circumference. So turn the top of the bottle upside down like this and fix it into the bottle tightly. I just fixed the bottle in this tightly, and next step, fill the bottle with the sand. I'm pouring some sand on this bottle. I just fill the bottle with the sand, and next step, fill the bottle with the water. I'm pouring water. Just pour the water in this bottle. So next step, I just fill the bottle with sand and water. Next step, I just fill the bottle with sand and water till the spot where I can mark 0 with this scale. This iron scale, so that's why I'm marking like this. Yes, I got the 0. So, some of the uses I'm going to tell now, sister. First one, it is used to study the present as well as the future condition of water resources. It is used to determine the amount of rainfall with respect to the time at a particular place or area. It is used to predict the water precipitation at a particular place to make stable structure like a dam, road, etc. And next and last point, rain gauge help to design the drainage by showing the discharge of precipitation at given interval time. So this is my rain gauge, sister. So sister, I hope that you are happy with this video. Thank you, sister.